Hi guys, my name is Jetty and welcome back to another vlog. Super special po sa akin ang vlog natin today. This video is gonna be my first skincare review. And I'm so excited to show you and tell you about my review with this product. Okay, and I'm gonna show you what Neutrogena Bright Boost Treatment Neutrogena Bright Boost Lotion Pre-Essence sa ating face. So before anything else, if you're new to my channel, baka naman.
Okay kayo!
So please like, subscribe, and hit that bell button para naman may updated kayo sa mga next videos ko. So without further ado, let's get started. So for today po, as you can see, wala po akong makeup at saka kakaligo ko lang. See, my hair is still a little bit wet. And just I wanna show you my bare face kung anong.
A few moments later.
Lately, I've been suffering with mild acne all over my face, and I've got a lot of small bumps around here, around my cheeks area, and here on around the chin. So frustrating kasi especially I work as a teacher here in Taiwan, and I need to face my students every day. But then if I have those, you know, pimples, acne marks, and spots all over my face, it loosen my, you know, yung self-confidence po. Nakakawala po siya ng self-confidence. So I decided to look for a product that would suit to my skin, and today is gonna be a review day of this product. So this is the Neutrogena Bright Boost lotion. This is a treatment lotion and this is a pre-essence. So far the reviews are okay naman, and I was like, so excited to show you what's gonna be the result of this product to my skin in 7 days. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I did some research, and according to my research, this product has AA2G plus niacinamide. AA2G means ascorbyl glucoside. It's also known as ascorbic acid. So when you hear ascorbic acid, so that means vitamin C, right? So this product has a powerful vitamin C derivative. This product has whitening effect. It also prevents or treats skin aging, wrinkles, and rough skin. Most important thing, this product is non-irritating to skin. So I think it's good for all skin type kasi mild lang naman po siya. By the way, my skin type is oily, acne prone, and sensitive skin. I have pimples all over my cheeks and my chin, especially here because this area is the oiliest part of my face. I got small bumps and spots, acne spots as well. The AA2G also protect against UV damage. It reduces free radicals generated by ultraviolet radiation. The AA2G plus niacinamide has a good heat stability, high heat resistance, and oxidation resistance. Another good thing about this ingredient, or the niacinamide, is that it can be soluble in water and oily solvent. When you say soluble, that means easy to dissolve. Madali po siyang tanggalin. Yung claims ng product na to, it says here, Neutrogena Bright Boost Treatment Lotion Pre-Essence boosts skin's capacity to achieve maximum dewy translucent fairness. That's nice. Penetrates deeply to immediately bring out dewy translucency and helps activate skin cells to boost whitening efficacy of latter steps. So, and this is dermatologist tested, oil-free and non-comedogenic. So, hindi na po tayo magpatumpik-tumpik na. I'm gonna show you the video. Here we go!
Hi guys! Today is day 1 and this is the condition of my skin. So, as you can see, may pimple po ako dito. And I'm gonna use this product, the T3 cleanser, to wash my face. So, like this, just a small amount. And then rub with your hands. After that, then just put it all over your face for 60 seconds. Don't forget to include your neck as well, because your neck is also part of your face. So rub, 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 rub. After cleansing your face, just let it dry, or you can get a tissue, wipe your face, but just tap it like this. The next step I do is to put ice all over my face. I don't put the ice directly to my face kasi nakaka-visible siya ng vein. So I usually put it in the plastic bottle and just roll it over my face. So just tap it like this, and I do this for a minute. Just keep going, and then you're gonna have a very good feeling after you put ice on your face. And the last step is to put this product, the Neutrogena Bright Boost Lotion Pre-Essence. I usually put 6 drops on my palm like this, and then after that, rub it with your hands together and put it on your face. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, and please don't forget to include your neck as well, because neck is also part of your face. So if it's not enough, you can get another 6 drops and put it again all over your face. I usually do like this with my fingers for better absorption of the product.
Day 6. So, nag-fade na po siya yung mga dark spots at hindi na po ako pinutubuan ng pimples. Thank God. Yung mga maliliit na bumps is nag-fade na din. So, I'll keep putting this product until tomorrow. Day 7 review.
A few moments later.
So overall, guys, I love this product. It's very gentle to your face, and you can try this one, especially for those who are sensitive like me and acne prone like me. So this is my face right now. I still have a small bumps over here, but nung before ko siyang ginamit, ang dami kong maliliit na bumps dito sa cheek. Yes. At saka pulang-pula talaga yung face ko. Hindi ko lang, I think it's because the previous product that I used, hindi talaga siya okay sa skin ko, kaya in-stop ko siya. I try to relax my skin or my face, the condition, and I just use this gentle and mild product, and for me it works. I like this one, and I will keep using this one for the whole month, and we'll see what's gonna be the result after using this product for the whole month. So anyway, yung mga dark spots po, naglalighten po siya, at saka hindi na po ako natutubuan ng malalaking pimples. Siguro nga because lately I got so stressed. I usually sleep late. Kung hindi po naging okay sa inyo ang product na to, baka naman kailangan nyo pong magpakonsulta muna sa dermatologist, or you may change your diet or your lifestyle. You should start eating healthy. I cut down eating spicy foods, salty foods, and oily foods, fried foods. So I guess that's all for today, and I hope you guys like this video. And if you wanna try this product, if you have more questions about this product, please send me a personal message. I'm gonna put my social media account in the description box, or send me a message. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. So see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.